This is one of the projects we have for this week. Is a Persian, semi-antique Persian rug. It has been destroyed by vacuum. You see how the French is almost gone and is unraveling. Also, I'm going to show you in the other side, this side of the rug is chewed by the dog, and then one corner of it is gone. And then we're going to show you in next couple days when it's done and it's cleaned. We put the fringe back on it and we secure it. All the fringe one by one is secured, and we can't wait to see the customer's reaction because this rug was almost gone. This is another project we have, is a Turkish Uşak rug that the fringe, the edge of the rug completely gone by vacuum and traffic. We're going to show you before and after. We're going to start working on it and would be ready and show it to you. We showed you this rug, which is a Uşak. If you see the back is pretty much secured. All these nuts are secured and they're not open anymore. There is no wool is hanging. Now it looks like brand new.